Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech, and in this session what we are going to learn. In this session we are going to install the Fedora latest version on our Raspberry Pi 4. Okay, but before we move to our practical, friends, if you learn something from our videos, please consider to subscribe our channel. Okay friends, so let's start. So friends, the Fedora is basically released the latest version, okay, the 34 version. As you can see, the Fedora 34. I will mention the link. You have to visit their website and download the image, the latest image for the Raspberry Pi 4. Okay, as you can see, the Fedora 34 ARC64 raw image. Simply click on download and it will download the image for our Raspberry Pi 4. As you can see, it's downloading. So I have already downloaded the image. Okay, and for flashing the image inside our SD card, we need here a Raspberry Pi imager. Okay, so I am on right now Raspbian OS, Raspberry Pi 4. So on Raspberry Pi 4 you need to simply run the command sudo space apt space install rpi imager, and it will install Raspberry Pi imager inside the Raspberry Pi 4. Okay, or suppose if you are on Windows machine, you need to visit their website and download for Windows and download the Raspberry Pi imager for Windows. If you are on Ubuntu machine, then click on Ubuntu and download the imager for Ubuntu. If you are on the Mac OS, then download for the Mac version. Okay, and Raspberry Pi OS, as I told you, sudo apt install rpi imager. This is what the command for installing the rpi imager on our Raspberry Pi 4. So I have already installed it. Okay friends, and I have also download our image. Okay, then now what we are going to do, we are going to flash the image inside our SD card. So I have connect the card with my Raspberry Pi 4. Okay, and I am going to open our imager inside the accessories. As you can see, this is what our imager. I am going to minimize the terminal, and this is what our imager. Simply choose OS, scroll down, click on use custom, and we are going to search for our image. And as you can see, in downloads we have our Fedora workstation image. Simply select it, click on open. Okay, choose the SD card. As you can see, I have here a 15.9 GB SD card. Simply select it, click on write, click on yes, and our image is now flashing inside the card. Of course, we need to mention here our Pi user password for permission. So mention the password, click on OK, and as you can see, the image is now writing. Okay friends, so it takes some time. Meanwhile, I will pause the video. Okay friends, so friends, we have successfully flashed the image inside our SD card, as you can see, and I have to now just click on continue, and we are ready. I am going to insert the card inside our Raspberry Pi 4 and we are going to move with our further setup. Okay, so I am going to insert the card inside our Raspberry Pi 4. Okay friends, so friends, I have inserted the card, and this is what our first screen. As you can see, this is what our setup, Fedora first screen, the desktop version. Okay, now simply click on here. As you can see, the start setup. Simply click on a start setup, and here we need to select our Wi-Fi. Okay, so I am going to select my router SSID. And then I have to enter my router SSID password. So friends, here as you can see, here we need to mention the router password. Okay, so I am going to mention my router password. Then I have, as you can see friends, I have entered the password. Then click on connect. It's connecting with my router. As you can see, it's successfully connected. Click on the next. Okay friends, and here as you can see, this is what our privacy. Here we need to click on a next again. Okay, and connect your online account. So I don't want to connect with any online account, so I am going to click on here a skip. And about you means you have to enter the username and the full name of yours. Okay, so I am going to mention here a Freedom Tech. Okay, then username is also same, Freedom Tech. Then click on next. Then here we need to mention a strong password for our user. So I am going to mention the password. then again confirm the password. Okay friends, then click on next. And as you can see, the setup is completed, all done, and start using Fedora. Simply click on it. So friends, as you can see, it says here welcome to GNOME 40. It's GNOME 40 available with our Fedora latest version. So click on no thanks. If you want to TechTour, you can go with TechTour. Okay, so this is what our Fedora desktop. Okay, now here as you can see the activities. If you click on the activities here friends, it will open, just a minute, it will open the activities dashboard. As you can see here, here it is whatever of Firefox, then calendar, then player, Rhythmbox is player, and here if you go show the application, here it is whatever all those application. Okay, if you want to search for terminal, just search for TER terminal and it will open our terminal. So friends, as you can see, this is what our terminal. Okay, this is the way you can install the Fedora latest version on Raspberry Pi 4. I hope you will learn something from this video. We will meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.